Welcome to the Mind Detective channel, your ultimate destination for unraveling the secrets to building strong and long-lasting relationships. Today, we invite you on a transformative journey as we explore the 3 essential goals that are key to cultivating a love that not only survives, but thrives through the seasons of life. In a world where relationships face numerous challenges, it's crucial to set relationship goals that nurture and sustain a deep and meaningful connection. Goal #1. Enhancing communication. Effective communication forms the bedrock of any successful relationship. It's about truly listening to one another, expressing thoughts and feelings honestly, and seeking understanding, even in the midst of disagreements. Goal #2. Overcoming challenges together. No relationship is without its hurdles. The key is to face these challenges as a united front, supporting and encouraging one another throughout the journey. By embracing a mindset of teamwork, you can conquer any obstacle that comes your way. Goal #3. Building intimacy and trust. Intimacy goes beyond physical affection. It's about emotional vulnerability, deepening the bond, and fostering a sense of trust and loyalty. Creating a safe and nurturing space where both partners can openly express their needs and desires is essential for the growth and sustenance of your love. By prioritizing these goals, couples can create a strong and resilient foundation for a lasting and fulfilling partnership. Find activities that you both enjoy and make time for them regularly. Whether it's exploring new places, engaging in creative pursuits, or simply unwinding together, these shared experiences strengthen your connection and create lasting memories. Remember, it's essential to maintain a balanced and harmonious relationship. Nurture your individual selves while fostering the growth of your partnership. Prioritize self-care, personal growth, and pursuing your own dreams and aspirations. When you both feel fulfilled as individuals, it enhances the overall health and happiness of your relationship. Overcoming challenges and building a long-lasting relationship requires dedication, commitment, and a genuine desire to grow together. Celebrate each other's successes, uplift one another during setbacks, and always find reasons to laugh together. The ability to find joy and appreciate the little moments strengthens your bond and keeps your love vibrant. As you embark on this transformative journey, keep in mind that the journey itself is as important as the destination. Embrace the growth and evolution that occurs within your relationship. Support each other's dreams, encourage personal development, and be the biggest cheerleader for one another. Your love has the power to fuel each other's ambitions and create a fulfilling life together. So, set your goals, communicate with love, overcome challenges together, build intimacy and trust, and create a foundation that not only sustains but deepens your love for a lifetime. Remember that every relationship is unique, and it's through your shared efforts and commitment that you can build a love story that stands the test of time. Thank you for joining us on this profound exploration of the essential goals for a long-lasting relationship. Subscribe to the Mind Detective channel and stay tuned for more valuable insights and practical tips on building and maintaining thriving relationships. Hit the like button if you found this video helpful, and share it with your loved ones. Together, let's unlock the secrets to a love that endures. Subscribe to our channel and stay connected for future episodes where we delve deeper into the mysteries of the human mind and unravel the secrets to creating lasting and meaningful connections. Your support and engagement mean the world to us. Remember, your love story has the power to inspire others, so share this video and spread the love.